Okay, hey there and welcome to this video. In this video, we have a red problem here involving fractions. So the statement is, Kevin had 1800 bags of rice in stock for sale. So Kevin had 1800 bags of rice in stock for sale. In January, he sold 2 out of 3 of it. So let's start taking notes. January, 2 out of 3 of it. It means the 1800 bags. In February, he sold 3 out of 4 of what was left. So look at this statement very well. 3 out of 4 of what was left. So when we do the January, when we finish the January, what we get is what we are going to use to solve that of February. So let's say we do times 8. The 8 is the 1800 or 1800 bags. So we can cancel out this, gives us 6. Now we have 2 times 600, which gives us 1200 or 1200. Now they said he sold 3 out of 4 of what was left. So after this, we know that 1800 minus 1200 gives us 600. So that's what we will multiply by this. And when we do the math, you see that 4 goes into 60 15 times. So now we have 3 times 150. And that gives us nothing else than 450. Okay, so now we have the 450. We know that they are asking for what? How many bags of the stock of rice did he sell in February? So in February, you just indicate. So E is 450 bags. And B says in January. So the one he sold in January is also IB, which is 1200 or 1200 bags. Now the last question says, how many bags of rice were left unsold by the end of February? So by the end of February means when we combine the 1200 and the 450, what we get plus 450, what do we get? So let's check. You can also cross check with your calculator to confirm if what I'm doing is the right thing. So we get 1650. Now what you are going to do is we subtract this 1650 from the main number, which is 1800. Sorry, the 0 here should be 1. Yes, so the 0 is 1. So now we have 1650, which gives us 150. And from the 150, we can clearly tell that it answers how many bags of rice were left unsold by the end of February. So by the end of February, we can clearly state that 150 bags were left unsold. Okay, so to confirm whatever I've done here, we are going to do what? Add all these figures, 450, 1200, and 150. If we get this value, then that means we are right. So let me just change the color of our pen. So we do that calculation very quick. We have 450 plus 150. When you enter it into your calculator, you see that the answer will be 600. Now 1200 plus this 600 is what we will do next. 600. So we can clearly see that we have 1800 as our final answer. So which confirms that the values we've gotten for this question is the correct value. So that is how you solve this type of word problem. If you have any challenges, don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section. And see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.